In the morning, I want to invite these beautiful birds to play. I will fly them one by one. Whether these birds can follow the speed of my motorbike. See how smart they are? They can quickly catch up with me. The higher they fly, the more beautiful their wings are. The white dove with its soft white feathers represents pure and sacred love. It symbolizes infinite affection, such as the love between a mother and child, or the eternal love of a couple. The white dove, like a precious gem, reminds us of the importance of keeping our love pure and eternal.